Hi guys, my name is Sarah. I'm going to be teaching you, as well as my group, about the cholera disease and a little bit about it. So I'm going to start with the etiology. The bacterium that causes cholera is the Vibrio cholerae. It's a gram-negative, so it has a pink or red gram stain. It's Vibrio shaped, as you can see here. It's a bacillus shape with a little bit of a bend in it. They're arranged singly or in pairs, or in S-shaped forms. So they will not attach, but they will arrange each other into an S-shaped form. It is anaerobic. It says aerobic here, but it is anaerobic. So it doesn't like air. It has one polar flagellum, as you can see right here on this end. It is salt tolerant, so it doesn't like water either. Most strains don't produce toxins, as we'll discuss later here in our signs and symptoms. A lot of people who contract this bacterium or have it in their bodies don't actually produce symptoms of cholera. The toxic strains produce this bacteriophage, this CTX, and then that's one of those Greek letters. It doesn't form spores, and it has no capsule, which would make it a lot more deadly. So the reservoir for this cholerae is in shellfish and water, as well as feces. So people get this from shellfish and water because they're contaminated with feces, and so these humans will essentially give this disease to other humans, or animals will give it to humans through contaminated water. So one interesting thing about cholera is that it takes place in our church history, or it has a place in our church history. So this was during Joseph Smith's era, and they were taking a bunch of the saints, and they had Zion's Camp, and cholera broke out in Zion's Camp because Heavenly Father had told the people that if they didn't stop being so contentious, that he was going to eventually give them this scourge. And so that scourge was cholera. And Joseph Smith and Hyrum went around trying to heal the people. And Heavenly Father was upset about it because he had given these people this disease as a punishment. So Joseph and Hyrum also got cholera. And then Joseph Smith's mother, Joseph Smith and Hyrum Smith's mother, Lucy Smith, was praying for them, and she prayed that this disease would not take their lives. She prayed for them to get better, and the minute she finished praying, both of them were healed.